In a world that worships complexity, we often forget the rare and rebellious elegance of simplicity. There's a mental model used by great thinkers for centuries. It's called Occam's razor. It says, when there are multiple explanations, choose the one with the fewest assumptions. In simpler terms, the simplest explanation is usually the right one. Let's travel back to the 16th century. The world believed Earth was the center of the universe. The geocentric model was accepted as truth, but it was clumsy. It needed complex patches, circles within circles, equations no one could intuitively understand. This system didn't explain the sky. It explained how to preserve a belief. Then came Nicholas Copernicus. He proposed something radical. What if the sun, not the Earth, was at the center? Suddenly, the math worked. The heavens made sense. It wasn't just elegant, it was logical, clean and simple. Copernicus had applied Occam's razor, centuries before we gave it that name. Decades later, Galileo Galilei defended the same idea. He had evidence, he had a telescope, he had reason. But simplicity was a threat to power. He was tried, silenced, placed under house arrest, yet his truth lived on. Why? Because simple truths are harder to destroy. Now fast forward to your life today. Think of your business, your routines, your decisions. How many are overcomplicated? We add tools, processes, advisors. We justify bad calls with tangled logic. But deep down, we know what's essential. When things get fuzzy, ask, what's the cleanest explanation? What's the one assumption I can remove? Occam's razor isn't about cutting corners. It's about cutting noise. Steve Jobs used it to strip technology to its essence. Einstein insisted on simplicity, no simpler. Galileo used it to unlock the heavens. And you can use it to unlock clarity in your business, your leadership, and your thinking. So next time you're stuck between two choices, ask yourself, am I hiding behind complexity or am I brave enough to choose clarity? Simplicity isn't naive, it's powerful, it's timeless, and it scales. If this helped you think sharper, follow this page and subscribe for more mental models that shaped history and can shape your future.